Welcome back to our video tutorial course where we show you how to create an incredible business blog like this through the power of AI. Drive traffic, customers, revenue, subscribers, and even reviews 100% on autopilot. Create incredible long-form content and blog posts with images and videos like these 100% automated on a timed basis by setting up a simple automation, or create posts manually in under 20 seconds with just a couple of clicks. We're excited to show you all the features and functionality, so let's get into it. In this video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can change the domain name of the blog that we've been working on through these tutorials to our own custom domain name. You can change it to a subdomain like blog.yoursite.com, or you can change it to a primary domain name like yoursite.com. We're going to be changing this blog to landscapingstpete.com. We've registered this domain name through GoDaddy. However, all registers are going to work the same. To get started, if we are on our dashboard at aipost.app, we're going to hover over the account tab and we're going to click on Change Domain Name Request. And here we're going to have some basic instructions to where we need to point our domain name to this IP address. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go into our GoDaddy DNS settings, and we're going to change this A record right here from parked to the IP address provided. We're going to leave the www settings the same. It will redirect to the non-W version, and then we're just going to click Save. We're going to get the URL of our existing blog, come back over to the domain name change request form, and enter in our information. We're going to enter in our existing URL, and then we're going to enter in the URL that we would like the website changed to. If you have any special instructions, you can enter them here. Then we'll click Send. You'll need to give this process about an hour or two for the DNS settings to completely update, but once done, your domain name will be successfully changed.